All right, welcome back. So right now we're going to talk about appliances. And Frank, when you are inspecting a home, what can you tell us about appliances, what you're looking for, specifically as far as aging and defective appliances?
Okay, yeah, it's a good question. So there's a number of different things that we're looking for. When we go to a property, one of the evaluations that we make is how old is the house. We pull up and we know it was built in 1990. That to us is an indication of have any of the systems and appliances been replaced? Do they need replacement? So, you know, whether we're talking about the water heater, the cooktop and oven, the microwave. So basically what we're doing is we're testing them for functionality. And with some of the more costly items or durable items like HVAC, for example, what we're doing is we're identifying if it functions as intended. Mm-hmm. We're running it. We're looking at it and doing a general visual examination to ensure that there's nothing improper with the installation, but also identifying the age of it. So a system can be functioning as intended, is the phrase, but it can also be 25 years old. So we like to allow the buyer to be aware that, hey, this system's working now, but it's also 25 years old. And that goes with a lot of the systems and appliances within like a kitchen, for example. You know, we're gonna run the disposal. Either it's working or it's not.
Right.
The dishwasher, the microwave, the cooktop, the oven.
That makes sense, especially if you're a homeowner about to list your property and you're already redoing the countertops, you're already, you know, putting new cabinets in, you might as well get a new microwave. Right. And even if you're not doing that extensive, it's just good to upgrade maybe the water heater. That way you give the future buyer peace of mind. Thanks.